gonna show you my bonfire.
Oh, I'm taking the picture, Mom.
No, I'm not. I'm recording. Ready?
Yeah.
If you got that, that was awesome. It was actually pretty cool. I don't think it'd be this cool, right? Smoke's in the way. No, but this is really cool. I'm outside at the moment, it's raining, but still doing some fireworks. So guys, here's the next one. Bam! Can you guys see me? Hello. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Come away.
Hello.
Wheel.
Hello. Hello. Yeah. I'm putting this on YouTube. Where's the next firework?
Move away, quick.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, that was awesome! It's a smoking pinwheel, man! That was sick! Oh, I don't think I picked up on that! Oh my god, that was amazing! Oh. Oh. Hey guys. What fireworks are you choosing, Leon? What fireworks you got, mate? Sweet. I kind of like this one.
No, fireworks is glue.
Is it? Oh.
Don't fuck around with the fire.
There's a lot. What's this? Dancing butterflies. Weird. Let's go. Excuse me. Oh.
In and out.
Back outside. Get go. There's a bit of light here. Ah, Mum. Hello.
Here we go.
Right, the next one's coming.
Go on, Callum's mummy's leg. Callum, can you go and get mummy's quick? Oh, Lauren, can you go get one?
I don't know if you can actually see this, guys, but my friend's mother's boyfriend is setting off fireworks. See that?
I'm getting out.
Hold on, I've got a fag in my hand.
There you go. That'll light up a bit. Yeah, that was amazing.
Leon, go!
If you have asthma, this would be bad.
Oh, I've got asthma.
Oh god. Uh-oh. Do you need to get you a breathing mask? I think the next one's coming.
Nothing.
It's like it's fog out. See the next one.
Callum, you're going to get my phone wet.
Here we go. No, I'm not.
Ready?
It's probably a weird bonfire night. Oh, I got the dead on.
Yeah.
Sweet.
I like the ones that go like about 3 times.
Oh yeah, that one's good. Yeah, it'd be hard to keep up with the video. That's my neighbour. Nice guy. If you didn't know what bonfires are all about, it's because the guy walks. Hello.
Oh, Callum.
Sorry.
What you doing?
Sorry. Do you know what started off bonfire night? Do you know what started off bonfire night? Guy Fawkes. Tried to explode Parliament. And he failed. And he died. Oh, I didn't realise that.
Callum, here's the flower pot one. That's gonna be.
Oh, go away, Lauren. Let's have a looky. Okay. Let's give you my garden, actually. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. Yeah, that is. It's really pretty. It's loud though. It's actually pretty cool.
It's not the right weather, but it doesn't matter.
Excuse me.
Hello.
How are you going? Hold on, it's only sparkles, so I'm stupid.
Go away!
I try to make it as clear as possible, guys. Here's another one.
Wow!
This is awesome!
Go and give it to Ashley then, in a second.
It's actually pretty cool, but also pretty deafening.
Callum, my phone's getting wet.
It's not!
It is.
Sure.
Mom, look.
Ah!
You stupid idiot.
I was slipped!
Yeah, and then my phone would have went and then it would have been in
No, it wouldn't.
Then you
Oh,
would be
there we go,
having-
here we go, here we go.
Here we go, here we go.
What? There's another one. This isn't very clear, is it, for the camera? Let's try and get it focused. Oh my god!
That was a good one there, Lauren.
That's me. I chose it. Lauren grabbed it. It's a lamppost.
No,
dot.
Lauren.
What you're looking at is a lamppost dot. Not very clear, is it? Do do do
Who's
do.
Ashley setting up now? Ashley setting up my mum.
Okay.
Can you set yours up?
No, that's my one.
Oh.
Here we go, guys. Let's focus on this. There we go. It's perfect. It's focused. Look at this view on the camera, though. It's got YouTube.
What fire brigade already?
Someone's put that on the house with
It's not funny,
fireworks.
Callum, is it?
They might know.
Probably
Well, they
called
just run.
boss.
No, no,
Stupid.
no.
You
You
can set
idiot.
fireworks off, it's fucking bonfire.
It's illegal, Lauren. It's legal, you know.
It's legal, yeah. But
Yeah. Oh, you almost said illegal.
I know, I was going to say.
Okay, it's gonna be a good one. Let's focus the camera on it.
Mine again.
Oh, please focus. Yes, it's focused. Oh!
Whoa, that was a good one.
I had to back up.
I can't see. I'm blind.
What the hell, Lauren?
I'm blind.
There's a firework over there.
I'm blind. I'm blind.
You're weird.
My phone don't work, right? You're going to be in trouble.
It does work.
Yeah,
Jeez.
but you're in the rain.
I'm
Jeez.
blind. I'm blind in the sky.
Yeah, but it's not raining that much.
It is,
I'm
Callum.
blind.
Not if I put it like this. Yeah,
Lauren, get
the
off
next
the
one's
line.
coming. The next one's coming. Let's back down here. Come on, focus. Focus there. Yes. No. Come on. Yes. It's focusing.